So guys, now I'm sure you all know why I was telling you कि ये week में हमको बहुत सारे gadgets मिले हैं. Basically every day there was something new being launched, and my favorite of the bunch is this right in front of me, the all new, much awaited, brand new Razr 40 lineup. So I've got two phones. This is the affordable version, the flip phone for the masses, which is the Razr 40, and then we have this, the flagship, the most powerful Moto Razr 40 Ultra. And I mean, this is my personal favorite because of this, the immersive cover screen. ये 3.6 inches का display है, and I mean, this phone is right now the phone which comes with the world's largest cover screen for any flip phone. और the fun is कि आप यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे सब वो काम कर सकते हो जो आप normally एक टिपिकल फैशन में अपने स्मार्टफोन में करते हो. तो बेसिकली दिस ब्रिंग्स इन दैट कूल फैक्टर. आप यहाँ पे मैप्स यूज कर सकते हो. यू कैन टेक्स्ट ऑन व्हाट्सएप लेट्स से, एंड इफ यू हैपन टू यूज दिस लाइक अ नॉर्मल फोन, जब आप इसको ओपन करते हो तो वी हैव दिस 6.9 इंचेस 165 हर्ट्ज फ्लेक्सिबल एमोलेड स्क्रीन. एंड व्हाई फ्लेक्सिबल? बिकॉज आप ऐसे कर सकते हो. I mean, this is where all the fun is, and the way the Motorola has kind of implemented this new hinge design, ये फोन दुनिया का world's slimmest flip phone बन जाता है, and it's actually very sleek. Same time, the hinge is designed in a way that यहाँ पे आपको कोई gap नहीं मिलता है. This has this gapless design, और cover screen के ना बहुत सारे फायदे हैं. If you just using your phone for some quick bits, तो वो सारा काम आप यहीं पे कर सकते हो. At times you don't need to even open the phone. Plus, I'm loving this new Viva Magenta color. This happens to be the Pantone color of the year. काफी interesting soft leather finish है. Looks quite catchy, quite premium. But if in case you want something subtle, तो we have this black option as well. It has dual cameras, and for a fact, because we have this cover screen, you can actually use these cameras to click pictures, like to click selfies. Because if you just twist this, you can activate the main cameras and actually click selfies. मजे की बात, because it's a flip phone, so you can keep it like this, and it holds quite well in between of 45 to 130 degrees. So let's say like in this position, and then you can consume all your content. You can use this as a tripod. You can kind of use it like in this tent mode. So multiple different ways of using a flip phone, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. This has a 3800 mAh battery, many more features. So let's see up close what all this Moto Razr 40 Ultra is about.
The flip phone segment is one of the most exciting segments in the market today. And हर कंपनी कोशिश कर रही है कि वो अपने कॉम्पिटिटर से बेटर फ़ोन बनाए, जिसमें ज़्यादा इनोवेशन हो, ज़्यादा फीचर्स हो और ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग टेक्नोलॉजी हो, वो भी इस ऑलरेडी एक्साइटिंग रेट्रो फॉर्म फैक्टर में. And Motorola has come out all guns blazing when it comes to the Razr 40 Ultra. The Razr 40 Ultra, ये फ़ोन पावर्ड है Qualcomm के Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 से, which is a flagship grade processor. This is coupled with 8GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. So obviously ये फ़ोन fast है, snappy है, and it can handle all the tasks you throw at it with relative ease. सुनने में हालांकि 3800 mAh की बैटरी insufficient sound कर सकती है, but it lasts surprisingly long thanks to the power efficient processor. ये फोन बॉक्स में ही फास्ट चार्जर के साथ शिप होता है. हालांकि in a couple of tests it showed that it charges slower than other phones in the same segment. The Razr 40 Ultra sports a 12 megapixel sensor with OIS. ये इसका प्राइमरी कैमरा है, और इसमें 13 मेगापिक्सल का अल्ट्रा वाइड कैमरा है जो मैक्रो का भी काम करता है. सेल्फी कैमरा इज अ वेरी केपेबल 32 मेगापिक्सल सेंसर. सो ओवरऑल कैमरा परफॉर्मेंस इस फोन की क्वाइट डिसेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग है. इट डज नॉट पोज इटसेल्फ टू बी अ कैमरा ओरिएंटेड स्मार्टफोन, बट ये मैनेज कर लेता है काफी ग्रेट रिजल्ट्स क्लिक करने के, वो भी डिसेंट डायनामिक रेंज एंड वेरी रियलिस्टिक कलर रिप्रोडक्शन के साथ. मोटो हैज कैपिटलाइज्ड on the form factor, giving users the option to use the phone in any angle. This flexible piece of technology, it can do it all. Priced at 89,999, the Moto Razr puts itself high up on the ladder in the flip phone segment, and it is bound to pique the interest of those who have been itching to get a flip phone.
Well guys, if this sounds expensive to you and आपको still मजा चाहिए एक flip phone का, तो Motorola has got you covered because we have this, the all new base variant of the Razr 40 series. This is the Razr 40. I mean, similar form factor. Of course, it's a folding flipping phone with this kind of same 6.9-inch flexible AMOLED screen powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chip. Again, this has 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Battery is in fact improved on this one. This now has a 4200 mAh battery. But then there are a few changes because यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो although the hinge and everything feels similar, the cover screen is much smaller now. यहाँ पे आपको एक छोटा सा screen मिलता है just to get a brief idea of the notifications and just do some basic tasks. यहाँ पे तो आप you can have smartphone vibe going on, but this one is kind of just for the basic usage. But then again, because this is a flip phone, तो वो सारा जो पूरा cool factor है of like doing all these things with a hinge, you can all do that. And as a time pass, because this also is a machine, so close, open, close, open, close, open, all that things are possible. And because I'm talking about a Motorola smartphone, we just happen to go in a party and dance. You do this and the flashlight turns on. Do this, it turns back off. तो मतलब बहुत सारे cool options हैं, and this one starts at 59,999 rupees.